Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view the pronunciation of names from the Facebook Assistant. The Facebook Assistant can help you pronounce names correctly, ensuring effective communication and showing respect for others. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to access and manage name pronunciations. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head to the store and type Facebook into the search bar. Step 2. Look for the Facebook app, which is represented by a white F on a white background. Tap on it, and then select Install to download and install the app on your device. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Step 5. Next, tap on the gear icon positioned in the top right corner, right next to the magnifying glass icon. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information to proceed. Step 7. Within the Your Information section, tap on Personal Information. Step 8. Scroll down and locate the Your Pronunciations option under the Facebook Assistant section. Tap on it, and there you have it. You have successfully learned how to view the pronunciation of names from the Facebook Assistant. This feature allows you to ensure accurate and respectful pronunciations when communicating with others on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember to foster inclusive communication on Facebook.